All right, here's the recessed light fixture. I removed the light bulb and unscrewed a couple of Phillips head screws in the light fixture. And you can see up there the burnt out connection. So we have to replace the socket. After I removed the socket, I tried to remove the can, but the can internally was connected to the metal braided cable. So I'm going to have to do a little work from above in the attic. From the old recessed light, I removed the socket that had an extender on it. And the extender was cracked and burned. And when you remove the extender, inside, the center conductor was badly charred. Some of the insulation material burned out. So I snipped the wires and then went up into the attic and looked for the cabling that went to the can, and the insulation was charred, and this was a problem waiting to develop into something bigger. So glad we found it. So if you have any kind of dimming lights or flickering lights, it may not always be the light bulb, it could be something more serious. So rather than try to recreate the old system, decided to go for some upgrades with new LEDs, lower energy, a lot of selection available at places like Home Depot, where I got this, and Lowe's. And we're going to strip down some wires and mate up to the back connection on these. We'll snip those, mate them up to these wires, and connect them in the attic, and we should be good to go. And this light LED will slip right into the old existing can. Lower temperature and a lot more options. So we'll have another picture later. So now we've made some modifications and kept the plug-in connector that'll go into the light, and made some extended wires that will run up through the can into the attic. Put a different ground wire on, and we are ready to start installing. The wiring in the attic has been completed, and this old arrangement has been replaced. We've gotten rid of a high temperature bulb, high energy, replaced it with LEDs, with an LED light that's also dimmable. Now we'll go see if it works. All right, now we'll test it. Voila. That concludes another home repair project with Bob. Good luck.